Hello class, my name is Uncle Wisdom. Today we shall be solving the exercise of the previous class. Please pay attention. Add 5 plus 3 over 8. And the second one is add 5 whole number 2 over 3 plus 11 whole number 5 over 6 plus 12 whole number 7 over 9. So we'll take the one after the other. Solution. Number 1. 5 plus 3 over 8. This is equal to, remember what we said earlier, that in solving, in the addition of fractions that has whole number, mixed number, and fraction, we first of all solve the fraction and add the whole number. Here, there is nothing to add. What we have here is a fraction and a whole number. So what is left for us is to add 2 of them. Therefore, this implies that 5 as a whole number plus this fraction 3 over 8 will give us 5 whole number 3 over 8. This is our answer. In the other way around, we can still solve it like this. 5 can still be written as 5 over 1. It is still the same thing. Therefore, we can still solve it this way. 5 over 1 plus 3 over 8. So the denominator now is 1 and 8, meaning that they have different denominators. What we'll now do is to find the LCM of 1 and 8, which is equal to 8. So we'll now take the one after the other. When we take the one after the other now, 5 over 1 is equal to 8. 5 divided by 1 will give us 8 multiplied by 5, which is 40 over 8. We'll now take 3 over 8, which is equal to 8. 8 divided by 8, 1 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 3 over 8. So when we now sum up this, we can now come up with 40 over 8 plus 3 over 8. This is equal to, which is equal to 8 as the LCM. We now sum up 40 plus 3, which is equal to 43 all over 8. So this is the same thing as what we have already solved before, because this being improper fraction, 43 divided by 8 will have 5, remainder 3. Therefore, 5 whole number 3 over 8 is still this answer. So either you use this method, which is very short, or you can still apply this one and arrive at the same answer. So that is that for number 1. Then we now solve for number 2. Number 2. Okay. Number 2. Number 2. 5 whole number 2 over 3 plus 11 whole number 5 over 6 plus 12 whole number 7 over 9. Still on that, what we will now do is to ensure that these different denominators, we find the equivalent fractions that will give us the same denominators by finding their LCM. LCM of 3, 6, and 9 is equal to 18. Is equal to 18. Then we take the one after the other. We take this 5 whole number 2 over 3 is equal to, the LCM is 18. Bring down the 5 as the whole number. 18 divided by 3 will give us 6 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 5 whole number. This 6 multiplied by 2 will give us 12. 12 over 18. We'll now take the second one. 11 whole number 5 over 6, which is equal to, bring down the 11, write 18. 18 divided by 6 will give us 3. Multiply by 5 to give us 11 whole number 15 over 18. The last 12. 12 whole number 7 over 9, which is equal to, write 12. 18 as the LCM. 18 divided by 9 will give us 2. Multiply by 7, which is equal to 12 whole number 14 over 18. So what we'll now do, since we've achieved getting the denominators, getting the equivalent fractions that has the same denominators, we'll now add up. This implies that 5 whole number 12 over 18 plus 11 whole number 15 over 18 plus 12 whole number 14 over 18, which is equal to, we'll now add separate the whole numbers. 5 plus 11 will give us 16. 16 plus 12 will give us 16 plus 12 will give us 28. Then bring down the 18 as the LCM. Then what is now left is to sum the numerators, which is 12 plus 15 plus 14, which is equal to 28. 12 plus 15 will give us 27. 27 plus 14 will give us 41 all over 18. Then 41 over 18 is improper fraction. We must make it proper fraction by dividing 41 by 18. This implies that 28 plus 41 divided by 18 will give us 2. Remainder 5 all over 18. Therefore, 28 plus 2 will give us 30. 5 over 18. This is our answer. Are you following?
Yeah.
That is that for the previous class exercise. Compare with your result to see if you get them right. If you didn't, make the correction. Thank you, and God bless you.